I used to think this was all life would be. Another hard day waiting there for me. Stress in my blood, darkness in my head. Surrounded by people, but lonely instead. I watched them waste what I prayed I could feel. Taking for granted a life that seemed real, while I fought addiction just to make it through. And depression kept saying there was nothing I could do. But somewhere underneath the weight, a quiet voice refused my fate. There has to be another way. So I took one step that day. Hope was a whisper in the dead of night. Belief was the fire when I saw the light. One small change, then another beneath my feet. Hope kept me moving till hope became belief. Believe you are stronger than the life you've known. Believe you are worthy even when you feel alone. You don't have to see the whole road in front of you. Take one step forward, then let the step through. You can become what you believe.
Yeah. Then I lost everything I thought made me whole. No place to call home, nowhere left to go. When it came down and I slept in my car, cold in my bones beneath frozen stars. People reached out, said let us pull you through, but I turned them away. I had work to do, I chose a hard road. I needed the pain to sit with the person I tried to escape. I needed the silence, the cold and the fear, to ask who I was and why I was here. What did I want, who would I become? What would be left when the old life was gone? That winter broke me, but stripped me back clean. It showed me the man I still wanted to be. It wasn't the ending, I thought they could see. That was my reset, that went to change me. Because sometimes strength is forged in the cold. When there's nothing to hide behind, nothing to hold, I couldn't rebuild while running away. So I faced every wound and stayed.
Hope was a whisper in the dead of night. Belief was the fire when I saw the light. One small change, then another beneath my feet. Hope kept me moving till hope became belief. Believe you are stronger than the life you've known. Believe you are worthy even when you feel alone. You don't have to see the whole road in front of you. Take one step forward, then let the step through. You can become what you believe.
I started learning what's feeding the pain. The habits, the chaos, the thoughts in my brain. I changed how I lived, how I rested and moved. And slowly my body gave my mind something new. I handled the pressure a little bit more. Found energy waiting behind a closed door. The darkness was there but it loosened its hold. And one grain of hope started gathering snow. A little more strength, a little less fear. A little more light as the path became clear. The proof was growing in front of me, and hope became something I could believe. I learned my nervous system wasn't my enemy. It was trying to protect what was left of me. I faced every ghost I had buried inside. Stopped running away and stood by my own side. Then weeks became months and the months became years. The weight became lighter, then disappeared. One day I looked inward and finally could see depression no longer had ownership of me. I wasn't born fearless, I wasn't born strong. I just kept choosing to keep moving on. I chose to get better, I chose to rebuild. I chose to keep climbing when standing took will. But pain wasn't the answer, it opened the door. What changed me was choosing what came after the storm. The lessons, the healing, the habits, the truth. The man that I am now was built by what I chose to do. Believe in yourself, believe you can change. Believe you are worthy of something greater than pain. Believe you have courage, believe you will fight. Believe there is more in surviving the night. One choice, one step, one change, one step, repeat, one step. That is how hope one step becomes belief. One step, one change, one step, repeat, one step. That's how hope one step becomes belief.
Hope was a whisper in the dead of night. Now belief is a fire that will never die. One small change became the life that I lead. Hope kept me moving till hope became belief. Believe you are stronger than the life you've known. Believe you are worthy even when you feel alone. You don't have to see the whole road in front of you. Take one step forward, then let that step prove you can rise. You can heal. You can build something real. You are worthy of greatness. You just have to believe. I lost everything and found what I needed. A winter of questions, a reason for breathing.
That was my reset, the moment I changed. The code didn't save me, it showed me the way. I once had nothing but a spark underneath, and hope kept me moving till hope became belief. And if I could find it, there's a fire in you too. Take one step forward, then let that step pull.